IronCAD offers a truly innovative assembly design environment for flexibility in creation, positioning, and modification of assembly layouts. When working on industrial equipment and facility assembly layouts, an assembly-focused design environment is essential, and IronCAD delivers the tools to meet those needs. If a project faces issues with building assemblies or repositioning components, those problems can quickly pile up, especially when using MCAD software that isn't tailored for assembly design and flexibility. In such situations, team members may struggle to move assemblies restricted by mate and align tools, or face challenges managing thousands of files, leading them to work in smaller sections instead of the full environment.
In IronCAD, our design environment was built so users can easily manage thousands of assemblies in a single scene and dynamically position them in a 3D space intuitively. You can also take advantage of our software's e-behaviors to drive intelligent positioning, orientation, and sizing parameters for matching components quickly and accurately, ensuring that you're always building the right design. For engineers like me, that means faster design, more accurate positioning, and fewer challenges along the total process.
Managing large assemblies is a headache with traditional MCAD software. IronCAD changes that. IronCAD tackles issues commonly faced by engineers, making sure that the platform meets the needs of industrial equipment and facility assembly layouts, and the designers that make them. Utilizing our single-scene assembly environment, assemblies can quickly be created, imported, or positioned with our powerful 3D tribal or with our smart e-behaviors. With IronCAD, you'll spend less time fighting with your software and more time designing innovative solutions. For example, your design starts with the dragging and dropping of components into the 3D design environment where you can reposition them, resize them, or change their orientation. Using the tribal, you can not only reposition components, you can create additional components wherever you'd like, making your design process much quicker.
If you are an engineer and a part of a design team, and you're dealing with thousands of files and connections for parts, it can get pretty complicated, but it doesn't have to be. IronCAD simplifies assembly design so you can really focus on the innovation instead of data management.
So, if you're working in assembly layout and industrial equipment design, and you'd like to have more flexibility, collaboration, and less frustration, IronCAD is the solution for you. Go to ironcad.com to see all the possibilities or to request a free trial.